Right, I just want to show you another cool little website that you can use to find products to sell. What this is called is wish.com, and it'll have a little thing down here saying how many people have purchased it. So it'll give you a good indication. So this one here, 50,000 purchased that. So we know it's a hot seller. 5K purchased that. Once again, I use it for kind of like a visual thing. Just go down, have a look. All sorts of stuff here. We can go fishing. I'm just throwing this one in here because it's one that I use, but not very often, not as much as the other one. But I thought I'd just throw it in here so it gives you more options on where to find products. So we've got fishing here. These alarms here did very, very well on Facebook about probably last year in 2016. These did very well. This braid, like, you wouldn't think that braid would sell. It's like a pretty generic product. There's no passion, but it's obviously been doing quite well. 20,000 bought. So sometimes the most unsuspecting product will be the one that makes you a ton of money. These are pretty cool. These are actually very, very cool. I've never sold these. I am in the fishing niche. I should probably give that a try. But that comes back to our criteria. It solves a problem. This is a problem-solving product here. I'm not sure what you would really call these. Hooks your killer keepers. We'll see if we can find on AliExpress real quick. I want to keep this video very, very short. I don't want to drag this one on because it's just a little quick one I added in as a bit of an extra. And boom, we found them $1.72. Got some sales going. So that's a cool little problem-solving product there. And that's really, that's it. That's all there is to this one. Tons of products. This is just another website you can use to cross-reference with all your, so we've got some home stuff here. That's pretty, 50,000 of those sold. That's pretty cool. This is just another site that you can cross-reference to AliExpress. I actually think it looks, there's a lot more cooler products on here than the other one. I just do like the other one. I don't use this one often, but I might start using it. It's a lot better than what it used to be. So yeah, wish.com, check it out, cross-reference. You might find some products that work. There's a lot of like cool little inventions on here, like that little hat. That's pretty cool. Once again, I'm dragging the video on, but that's it, guys. Just wish.com. Quickly throw this one in, and you can use this site to find products that you can possibly sell on your website.